Hello everyone, welcome to another day of Nextdoor Automation. I show you on a daily basis how to automate your presence on Nextdoor. I focus mainly on business owners who wants to get more leads. My name is Eric. I run the agency nextdoor-agency.com, and today I'm going to address the possibility to add $500 a month to as an additional revenue streams to your income, and I'm going to discuss more specifically, take an example on the pet niche. So your target and the way to do is focus on content creation. So first you should create your own topical group. What I mean is you have to create a group called, for this case, pet lovers or cat and dogs fans group. For your group, you have to create a nice banner, engaging banner, a description of your group, put an affiliate link inside, for example, or try to collect leads, and post daily in that post. So you should try to find, and there are plenty on the web, videos of cute dogs, cute cats. You don't need to make very long videos. If you find a long video, favor the portrait format, not the landscape format, because it fits better for people phones, as I guess most of the people on Nextdoor are on phones, and post there daily. Only once, so that you should be doing that 5 to 7 times a week, and only once in a week should you make a post that has a commercial intent. In that case, you can add a link to a landing page and you want to collect leads, or an affiliate link. So when you do that, the benefit of it is that you have created a Nextdoor virtual conversion funnel. If you don't post on your group, you won't be able to optimize this conversion funnel. When people see your post and you are in a group, they will be probably joining your group. When they join your group, it gives you the possibility to DM them and sending them a nice welcome message, and adding a link to your landing page, and then you can collect their email and send them later on. Remember, emails are the paramount of affiliate marketing. You can always be banned from any social media, but nobody can destroy your mailing list. So your optimal goal is to grow this email list. In order to do so, you do everything in this group. When people see your post and you see that you have posted in your group, they will be enticed to join that group. So this is a very good, important point that most of the people don't do. And I suggest you to cover as much as possible from the Nextdoor territory, that is also organizing events once a month. Engage with your community the rest of the time. Just give nice friendly help, share your thoughts, share your moods, positive moods mostly, but you can also try to create posts that stir a little bit of controversy. Always be careful with that. You cannot please everyone, but make sure it does not backlash on you, and don't get banned. By the way, when you create a group, always ask a friend or family members to create a Nextdoor account and add them as a co-admin to your group, because if you get banned, you will not be able to recover access to your group if nobody is a co-host. So when you're out of your banning time, or if you recreate a new account to join Nextdoor again, only the co-admin will be able to add you as an admin again. So when you do that, you follow this instruction. Also, you can use the for sale and free section. of Nextdoor. That's one other way to be more visible. You can also add neighborhoods. If you don't know how to add neighborhoods, I made a video in the past, and you can automate all this. And my company is assisting business owners to automate this. So if you are a business owner and you are in the pet niche and you think this is a good approach to add an additional revenue to your business and also to get leads for your business, do not hesitate to contact me, and I'll explain you more in depth my services, or you can visit my website to see what I do for businesses. So now if you want to address the monetization part of these activities, of course you can find affiliate products, whether it's Amazon pays well, unfortunately with delay. You have a 2 months delay when you get paid between the transaction and the payment, but they are good payer. The amounts are not very huge, but if you succeed to make a lot of traffic or recurring orders, it's a good way. Otherwise, browse the internet and look for better paying affiliate programs. There are millions of them, maybe I exaggerate, but surely a lot. And you can once a week, and also once you have created your mailing list, send these affiliate links promoting some products. You can also contact business owners and offer them to pay for advertising. That would be also in your group, but also if you have collected leads, you have created a weekly or monthly newsletter, you can ask these business owners whether they want to add a small advertising banner in your email review sent to your email list. You can also contact other brick and mortars companies who wants to get leads. So there are plenty of different brick and mortar businesses that would be interested in your leads. Maybe not all of them paying that much, but when you send them on a weekly basis 2 or 3 leads worth between 25 and 50, you will definitely reach your 500 bucks a month. So you can also publish your newsletter. That's what I wanted to say. That's very important. And you can rinse and repeat this approach. So before I jump to the next point, I wanted to show you the list of groups near you. You can investigate what's happening in your neighborhood. Don't forget, you can add more neighborhoods to your profile. You can use this URL that I would put in the description if you have difficulties to find it, to see all your groups around you, and depending on how big of an area you are, you will see a lot of groups or not. And you can make a search for pet, for example. So I was discussing the pet industry, pet niche. So here we have one group for missing and found pets of Burnaby, because I'm located in Vancouver area. You could also look for dog. We have a dog people, 178 people. What about cat? We have a almost 300 member group. But I guess these groups are not so active. We can have a look at this one, for example, and see how much activity they have here. So here, for example, so it's a nice banner. The bio, the description of the group is somehow a little bit could be improved, let's say, if you want to redirect to your newsletter or catching email. That would be a much better approach. And you see that the last post here is dated 25th of June. And well, you see that's not very active. We are about the end of August and nothing happens in the meantime. So if you make a post every day in your group targeting cats and dogs, you will definitely grow it in no time. People joining this group will get kind of bored, not seeing anything, and they will probably join your group seeing activities in your group. So when I say post every day, yeah, find some cute pictures, cute videos. It's always a banger. So here, dog people, no banner, no description. Oh, there was something 6 days ago, and of course nothing related to dogs. So one good thing about being the admin of your group is that you'll be able to exclude or delete people messing with the topic of your group. So you make sure you get only, yeah, this one is definitely good. Hello neighbors, pet sitting services available. You could probably get a few bucks from that person if you want to have a post like this in your very active and growing group. So this is what I wanted to say about the group part. By the way, I also made a complete Nextdoor blueprint on how to grow on Nextdoor. I leave it, there will be a link in the description. I'll also put a link of the presentation of my past videos on this Nextdoor blueprint so you can review it. And let's go back to my final point, the example of the pet niche. So this is not exhaustive list, but you can team and get paid by different type of business owners in the niche industry, in that pet niche industry. So you have the pet walkers, you have the pet sitter, you have the pet hotel, you have the pet groomers, and the veterinaries. So this is not an exhaustive list. You could also team up with veterinary, saying, oh, if you've got an urgency matter with your pet in the middle of the night, this is a hotline you can call and either get a flat retainer with this business or per lead recommended per lead recommendation with that business, and for sure they will always be happy to get more business, more revenues to their business. So as I said, an easy 500 bucks per month, more or less, of course. I try to make it a catchy title. I hope you appreciate that video. Leave a like if you like. If you have any question that I have not covered, put it in the description, in the comment section. And if you are a business owner and want to implement that and don't have the time, I'm Eric. Do not hesitate to contact me. All details available in the description of that video and in the channel, and I'll set all this up for you for a fee, of course. And I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you liked that video, and I'll try to make more of that type. Enjoy your day wherever you are, and take care. See you tomorrow.